right, so this is one of our mega groups, this mega training group. So looking at this mega training group, you'll be seeing our training. You see how we automated all the training. You see that this one is training on automation. Let's start our training on automation. And when you go through it, you see that they have all the components you needed for automation systems. Now we build different kind of automatic changeovers. Here we built about 7 different kinds of automatic changeovers, including the one that you can use to switch off and switch off generator automatically, the one that can switch between 3 different power supplies and all the rest of them. And we deal with electrical diagrams, pure diagrams, step-by-step procedures of how you can connect them and all the rest of them. So what you're looking at now is how to build different kinds of automatic changeovers with training videos, with diagrams, with explanations, step-by-step procedures. So after this training, you must have learned how to build different kinds of automatic changeover because they are all explained practically. Now we use industrial machines to teach you how to practically construct and design machine panels. You see that these machines are working. These are about industrial machines, different kinds of industrial machines that we are using here in order to teach you. And their panels, how to design their panels, everything that's inside their panels. We use about 3 automated machines to teach you. And we teach you the parts, the kind of component they use and how to design all these things. Now we talk about the PLCs here, the PLC inside the panel, the PLC and how the PLC of the machine works, or how to connect them and all the rest of them. Now when you look inside also, you see all the parts of electrical machines. Now we discuss about different kinds of things in this group, different kinds of things, how to design and build starter panels, electrical starter panels like motor starter panels like a DOL panel, direct online panel, forward and reverse panel, star delta panel, how to use them and how to build them, how to construct them with the diagrams, step-by-step procedures, training videos. Now we talk about solar. We discussed about how to practically install solar, the explanation of solar panels, how to mount solar panel on the building, the parts, the components, and how to connect the solar installation, the diagrams of connection and the video of connection. When you look here, you see that you will be seeing videos of connection, like how you can connect solar energy installation, how you can do solar energy installation, the battery connection, and everything that will enable you to learn how to design all these things. Now this is solar generator kits, how you can be able to design and build different solar generator kits, how you can sell them, and their diagrams and the explanation of how to build them. Now this group is loaded. This one is how to install CCTV camera, how to do CCTV camera installation, and the components, the parts, the things that you need to put together, and how to do the connection. Here is the training video, how to do all the connection of CCTV camera, and everything about this training is purely practical. All right, so here also you will be learning security alarm system, how to connect to security alarm systems, different kind of security alarm systems. They are all inside this group. How to install the VFD, that is the drive, motors drives, how to do motors drive. And we use practical motors. Here we are using everything about it is practical. We are using it to drive motor for you to see how to do the connection, how to install flow switch, how to use flow switch to control the level of water in your tank using flow switch, and the connection and everything about it, and the diagram and the connection, how to practically install it inside the tank and everything. All of them are well established, well explained with diagrams, pictures, and training videos. How you can be able to construct electrical panel of any kind, they are all here. You see that we are drilling and we are showing you, demonstrating to you, showing you how you can be able to construct all these things using the drill, the cutter, and everything. How you can be able to build any kind of electrical panel that you want to build. And we are including diagrams. We are using diagrams to explain to you so many things in this training. Okay, we are using diagrams to explain to you. This is how the VFD works. And here we use different kind of machines, conveyor belts, conveyor motors, to teach you how you can be able to use this drive in order to drive so many things, including the conveyor motor, the conveyor table. You see that this is a conveyor, and when you on it, you see that the conveyor will be working perfectly. And this is how we demonstrated everything, how to design and build any kind of panel using the temperature, this is detectors, and then thermocouple, and then heaters. Okay, so in this training also we showed you how you can be able to use this to monitor all these vessels, and we are live at the factory to show you how this to construct and build all these things. Now this is electrical machines panel, the distribution panel, the starter panel, how you can be able to design and construct them. Okay, so these are all these things that are inside the one of of our group, mega training group, and we have the ones for smart home systems where you can be able to use your voice or your mobile phone to switch on or to switch off any device that's inside your house. And it doesn't matter anywhere you are, you can be in your home and control anything that is in anywhere in the world as far as there is internet connection. Okay, so join us today to learn all these things. We just created this, and every training here are automated. So immediately you join, you start learning. This is a training group, a practical training group that you will enjoy, that you will practically be a professional in terms of solar installation, CCTV camera installation, building of any kind of industrial panel, and the automatic changeover switches, including how to install drives, machine panels, and all the rest of them. Join us today in order for you to start enjoying this training. After this training, you will be given a certificate that you can use anywhere in the world to use, that you can use anywhere in the world to work, because it is a registered certificate. Okay, so when you join the training, you drop your names where you will drop your name so that we can design and send you a certificate either through your email or maybe on WhatsApp or maybe Telegram. All right, so join us today to enjoy this training.